Hey guys, it's Lisa, and today we are going to do a half unboxing and half try-on haul. I've ordered so many good things from Walmart, and they're just so good that I'm scared they're going to sell out before I get to show you. So I have this one last box here that I have been saving for a few days, and I thought we would unbox this, and then I'm going to show you some of the other things that I have ordered. So let's open this box. I can say it's heavy. I can't remember exactly what I ordered, so it will be a surprise. Oh my goodness, yay! First of all, let me show you, I've already done footage of this, but let me show you what I have on, because the reason I kept this on is because I'm pretty sure something in here is gonna look good with this skirt. So let me turn you around just a little bit so I can walk out here and show you this fabulous faux leather skirt. It's scoop. Oh my gosh, so you gotta scoop it up because it'll be gone. But I've just got it on here with my clear heels, my nude, but I did try it on with all three of the other shoes that I thought it would go with. And my first instinct was to put it with a sweatshirt because I knew I wanted to put it with something different. And a lot of these looks are holiday inspired, but a very, very chic holiday inspired. Let's just say the holidays in New York, because it's a lot of black, a lot of chic looks. I think a lot of higher end looks for Walmart fashion. Okay, so let's start off with some sweaters. I love it. I found some good sweaters. This is Free Assembly, so soft. Oh my gosh, I love it. Again, you know how Kate and all of these really high-end brands have designs like this. I would say that is very nice. I love the open bottom, but I'm gonna try these all on for you. Love it. It feels really soft. Let's see what it is. I got the medium, 55 recycled polyester, 45 polyester. What is it with the recycled polyester? Is that softer? It must be, because that's like, what, the second or third time I've come across that. That is a good one so far. Okay, if I had to say, this is made of the same thing, because this is very, very soft also. Love the wide bottom. That is so good, like if you want to put this with leggings, skinny jeans, or your high-waisted jeans that flare out at the bottom. There's just something about that wide crop, doesn't have to be short, but crop like this with something fitted that either just goes down or kind of goes out. Always looks good. Love it. Designed with the planet in mind. I would say, yes, this is going to have the recycled polyester. Yes, 55%. I think I remember this. I have always loved like this. Is it the Fair Isle sweater that has the design across the top? This was popular when it was the 80s, because I was 0 to 10 in the 70s and 10 to 20 in the 80s. So it was right around probably 85 or something. I remember these being really, really popular. They do have sweaters. I think I might have one in here. And I got the dress because I know a lot of you really love to wear tights and boots. And I have ordered some tights to start doing some looks with that. And these dresses are fabulous for that, and they're great for layering your big just teddy coat and stuff like that over it too. And I love, love, love that color, that taupey. Very classy color combinations. Okay, what is this? Free Assembly, a little dress, a little black dress, imagine that. Love it. Right off the bat, I'm feeling very, very Mad Men. Oh wow, I think that is going to be so good with a moto jacket on top. If you got this jacket, which is amazing, amazing. I hope it's still available. It's from Scoop. That over this is going to be amazing. I love it. I love how the sleeves go out like that. Those little details, and it does tie in the back. It has a mock neck. I was thinking this one felt a little bit more sleek, and it's got 81% viscose, 19% recycled polyester, and I did get the small. Always a surprise. One of you told me about this. No wonder this box was heavy. I was thinking, what did I get that was heavy? One of you told me that one of the best things to keep your towels white was this. It's the OxiClean White Revive Laundry Whitener. It smells so good. I love laundry. Pre-soak, pre-treat, standard machines, HE washer, add with your detergent. Okay, so it's going to be like the old school Biz or, you know, OxyClean or something like that. So yay, thank you for telling me about this because I love my white towels. I don't want to give them up, but they get dingy. Speaking of the Fair Isle sweater, look at this. That is beautiful. This dark navy. It's almost like a navy and black combo. This with a black slip skirt. Okay, let me show you. I've got some stuff out here that I don't want you to forget about that you can mix with these things. The black slip skirt and this sweater, because it's got that black in it, that would be a good outfit for sure. I'm gonna show you these things in a minute, but I just wanna always give you ideas. Wow, look how pretty this is. This is something that would look good with this skirt that I have on, or the slip skirts. Free assembly. Okay, here's the front. So it has a, I guess you would call that kind of like a mock neck. I wouldn't turn this down, I don't think. I guess you could, but I think I'm just gonna leave it loose. And look at how pretty the colors are. Like I said, it's all about the colors that make it like really classy and chic. Love that. So I guess you would roll this down because up looks a little, I don't know. I think you could wear it up too, because I know in the winter it's kind of good to have something kind of like this. But for now, I'm just going to put it down. And I want to show you how good it looks with this skirt. Hey, Bubba. Can you see? Oh, it looks so good. Let me look at my mirror. What a vibe. Now, your tall black boots, I love it. This is so good. There's just something too about when it comes up over your hands like this. I'll put all my sizes below too. A pair of shoes. They're not something I would typically wear. They're these little flat Mary Janes, but I think with a pair of sweatpants or the right outfit, these could be really cool. I'm not saying with this outfit, but they have really good padding too. See, I'm thinking with black sweatpants or gray or like distressed jeans that go all the way down to the floor so that they're just peeking out. Just a lot of possibilities with these. Or if you work at a place where you have to wear closed-toe black shoes, these would be perfect. I just wanted to show you how pretty these are. They're made really nicely. I love the way the top is shaped like that. Remember how I told you it's all about this pitch right here? A lot of times cheap shoes will not have a good pitch right there. That is very good. These are actually really nicely made. Another thing I got that I want to go ahead and show you. First of all, I put this sweater on because this is one of my favorites, and I think this one is so versatile. This is, you know, a once a week type sweater that you could wear. But I also got a 2-pack of the Sophia Vergara leggings, and these feel so good. I like these much better than the Joy Spun. These feel like a good mix of being able to walk, you know, outside, exercise, low impact, and fashion. And I love a good dark camo. These look so good with, first of all, like a gray sweatshirt and boots or sneakers. But then you can also really dress this up with a black blazer like the George blazer. Just really play around with your camo. And because this is that dark gray and black, this is a chic camo. This is very nice, and I think that there are a lot of good possibilities with this. Okay, let me show you how these fit, and I've got on, I believe these are scoop boots. So the leggings are high-waisted. They come all the way up to my belly button, which means it's high-waisted. And I got the small, and they fit great. These are not the ones that you feel like you need to take off when you get home. I don't think they're going to leave a line. Matter of fact, there isn't even a seam. I love them. I'm really happy with these. I think they look great. You want to try on another sweater and just do this? Okay, hold on. I felt like I needed to show you. So this is that first sweater. I love the cut. It's perfect. This is so good. And then I tried on the camo leggings for you. What do you think? Let me let you see it again. I didn't realize the tag was like hanging right here. But yeah, so good. It's not itchy at all. I love it. This is going to look so good with so much. This is kind of weird. It says this is an extra large. If it is, I wonder why I did that. I wonder if it was just an accident. So I'm getting ready to show you what this looks like in extra large, and I think I like it. I mean, how cool is this? I don't know how it looks with these camo leggings, but I just wanted to show you how the sweater fit. I think it looks amazing. I love like this long cuff. That is such a good detail. Love it. Feel like I need to go skiing, even though I hate the snow. I don't hate snow, but kind of do. So this is the dress version in the small. Fits great, and I just slipped it on, and I want to show you what it looks like with these leggings and boots, just in case you might want to wear it with leggings and boots or tights, because, let me look real quick. I feel like it looks good. You could easily wear this as a tunic, but it does go right down to the knee. So I just wanted you to see it like that. And then now let me take the leggings off. I'm not gonna put any shoes on because I don't have any down here. I don't know what I would wear. I would definitely, let me just put these on just to see real quick about the height of the boot. I tell you, with boots, oh, I actually do like that. If you have any brown ones that are this height. Perfect. Yes, I love it. Oh gosh, and notice, see, this is a good way that you can wear a little bit shorter of a dress and get away with it because it's full. So it's like very casual. Here is the black one. Great sleeves. I didn't even really have to untie it to put it on. And I love whatever it's, that viscose in it gives it just a little bit of a slinky look. Helps it flow. Looks good with the boots. It would look good with any boots. Like if you have the black and white ones, or just tall boots, or even over the knee boots, because sometimes they're kind of hard to style. I think this would be great. I love it. So let's continue on with some things that I have purchased along the way. Was there any doubt in your mind that I was going to get the other faux fur from Sophia? That black one is so glorious. I've got it right here. And so many of you got it and said that you loved it. It is so pretty. It's worth 4 times what you pay for it. It is so good, from the Sophia Vergara line. And then there was this color. I always get black first, but look how pretty this color is. Just a good medium, I guess you would just say brown. It's not really taupey. I would say it's more like a nutmeg. And I did get the medium. I'll try it on with this, yeah. Because it's not, see, it's not banded. So let's try it on. Oh my goodness, you guys. I could wear the small. I feel like when you get it just like a size bigger, it just has that vibe. And then here, remember how it has a faux leather right here that's so cool. Zips up, so good. Put this on with your sweatpants and your sneakers and a sweatshirt and just enjoy that little bit of glamour, and it just feels good to have on. So I've already featured with you before my favorite slip skirts from Walmart. Both of these are just, I think they're $12 or something. They're worth so much just to have as ingredients to your styling closet. So here's a black one, and I love this like wine burgundy color, which is so in, and I paired it with this Sophia, I believe. Yeah, Sophia little, I guess you would just call it like a faux leather tank or something. Very fitted. I did get the medium because I have a larger chest for my size, and it fits perfectly. I think if I'd have gotten the small, it would have been too tight across the bust, but so good. I mean, this is not cheesy looking at all. This would be a great layer, even with some black dress pants or, you know, something classy, and then put something like a blazer over it, and you would just get that texture. This I didn't need to wear a bra with just because it was so snug, but love it, and it looks really good with the silky slip skirts. Okay, this is the dress that has the cool little snap there to snap your bra strap in under this. This is just a nice basic black sweater dress, but little dresses like this are very valuable. It does have like that bustier design, which is going to give it a little bit of detail. Such a good layer. A lot of times when we're going somewhere in the winter, we're not even going to take our coat off. So this would be a great layer underneath that, and also great with boots. And then this next thing, okay, this is why I felt the need to do this today. If these are sold out, it's going to break my heart. Feast your eyes on this. And there's even another color. I think it might be a green. Remember the purple one from last year? I could kick myself for getting rid of that dress. But when I go through my closet sometimes, it depends on how ruthless I am at that moment. Sometimes I'm pretty ruthless. These dresses, I'm telling you, oh my gosh, this just makes me happy. Believe it or not, I think the pink one makes me happier than the black one. But these dresses, just get it, just get it, just get it. Anyone I have ever talked to that got these dresses loved them. They look good with boots. They look good with heels. They are just so good. And they're by Scoop. I did get the small, which is a 4 to 6. So I would say this is pretty true to size. And I'm not sure, but I'm going to say this. I think they come in little girl dresses that match. I know last year they did. There's nothing like these. They look so good on. They're so forgiving, so festive, but yet you could wear them to so many different things. You know me. I will wear this to the grocery store if I want to. But definitely for the holidays, this would be so pretty to go to a holiday dinner or lunch or even a party at night. I love them. Another faux leather piece from Sophia Vergara, and this is the small. This is a really, again, a nice base layer. A faux leather, very simple dress with the back kick pleat here. Fits like a dream. And I think I did get this small. Yes, I would say a pretty true to size. Like I said, a great base layer. This with a long cardigan over it. This with your blazer over it. I wouldn't put this with any other leather unless it was shoes. I would mix this with some either kind of silky or textured fabric. I'm thinking of a big chunky cardigan. Something like that would look really good with this. Or your faux fur of any color would look good over this because of those textures. I mean, look at that. That is rich. This little number I got a while ago. It is a blazer cape from Scoop. And the other day I had my new friend who is a photographer come over. She was actually airdropping me some footage for another video, and we did a little impromptu photo shoot, and I wore this, and I'm going to put that footage in here. This is really cool. Different than anything else I have, and I just love it. I had it on with some sparkly pants, I believe, but you could put it on with your jeans. You could put it on with leggings. Just have fun with it. Don't worry about it. It's one of those fun pieces that you just wear. Sometimes I just put on whatever my fun piece is, and then I just go from there. I don't even have a plan. Can you believe it? But I love that, and I did get the small. This is a beautiful coat. I was going to say overcoat, but it's just a coat. And it's the kind that I don't think I've ever had anything like this, to be honest with you, since I was young. It is, of course, it's like that felty type material that I guess is trying to mimic wool. Let's see what it's made out of here. It does have the silky lining, which I like because it helps it go on. I did get the small. It's 79 polyester, 9% other fibers, and then the inside is 100% polyester. But a lot of times, this is all I would need because I don't need a big, heavy, expensive coat to wear 1 or 2 times. Because where I live, it really doesn't get this cold until December, January, February. But I love it. Very, very feminine, the way it cuts in, and it has the seams, and it does have like some shoulder pads. Just a beautiful, just woman's coat. Very classic, chic, and almost vintage. Okay, you guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.